So check out this really nice Japanese machete here from Freelander. So the company sent me this to check out. So thank you to them for sending this out to me. So you can see a really nice, cool looking display here. Comes with this nice wooden sheath. Has a buckle on it, leather straps there, so you can wear it on your belt. I guess a couple of buckles there for mainly for aesthetics. Japan right there. It's a nice wood case or sheath. And then the knife itself has a paracord. You can wrap it around your wrist. This is what it looks like. Super nice looking. Really nice weight to it as well. Feels super solid. Really nice wood handle here as well. Nice curve to it. You can see the blade. Really nice looking there. Japan, whatever that says right there. So, yeah, I guess this is a bushcraft knife you can use in the yard, outdoors, whatever you need to cut down outdoors. So, yeah, super cool looking. Comes in this nice box as well. I'm probably just going to keep it indoor and use for a display to look at. It is too nice to use for me. So, it's just going to be a nice display piece for me. So, but if you want to use it outside for your cutting things outdoors, then this can definitely be for that as well. So, yeah, if you're looking for one of these, definitely check this out. Super nice, really nice quality as well.